Down. You got it all the way down, dude. Hey. Open up. Hey, give me you want to go. Oh! Get down, dude. Be a distance. Hey, stand by.
Hook, distance.
Hey, hook, hold up, Smith, get there.
Good shot out there. No.
Hey, Jesus, come back. I'm working on it.
Corner of that building, right? That's only like 100
Hey,
meters.
distance direction.
That's like... Directly that way, bro. That's a good one. I mean, I don't have a phone.
RPG.
Hey, Ted Bird, you get the
I'm trying to get a grid right now.
Yeah, corner of the building.
8899657 How copy? Hey, shit, shoot me another one from there, dude.
Shot right at the corner of that building? Yeah. I just like you gotta be rounding about. Yeah. I've got the hold that shit. Right over your head. You're not gonna fight over your head. Hey, sir. Hey, that hit.
Hey, Cody, stand by for second grid on the roof.
Now.
We got hook.
You ready? We got no more movement over there, sir.
On that building?
Come in.
Hey, Gunny, we're no longer taking fire from the building to our west here. Oh, excuse me, sir.
There's all egress now.
All right.
Notice right now I'm looking at you.
How many 203s and guns we need up here? Down, down, down.
I can't really tell at which yard line they're moving on.
Yep. Hey, you see him? They're still looking at us. What's going on?
Throw a grenade in there.
That's next door.
Pound over. Well, all right. They're tossing from the canal one over, and they're not making it to us. Tossing back.
Yeah.
You missed.
Hey, 203 up.
Yeah.
Hello. Heads up.
Alright, I got one.
You cleared hot.
Alright. Stand by for shot.
Stand by for shot.
Faster shooting spotter.
What do you got?
Ow.
I get you a trick.
I had 3 in my sights. 2 went running the opposite direction where they came in.
Yeah, that thing's loud if okay, that's actually a sniper.
I think I got one of them, sir. Got a moped moving east to west at about 800. You'll catch him on that on the right side in a couple seconds. There he goes.
Talking about the moped?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, don't engage that. Now, if dude starts getting off the moped and then turning tree lines, that's gonna be good.
The moped, maybe 500 meters out.
We got it.
See the penis-shaped door right in front of us? If you go right behind that, that's where he is.
Yeah.